Hello young people out there. In this video we are going to understand the chemical properties of acid and bases. Means we will understand how these acid and bases behaves on the atomic level when they react with some other element or compound. In this video, we will learn how acid and bases react with metals, metal carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates. And beside this, we also study the reaction of acid and bases with metal oxides and non-metal oxides. So let's begin with the reaction of acid with metals. In general, when metals react with acid, they produces salt and hydrogen gas. As you can see in this reaction, a magnesium strip is present inside a acid. It could be hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid or any other acid. The bubbles of gas rising on the surface, these bubbles are actually the bubbles of hydrogen gas. So, when acid reacts with metal, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. Let's understand this reaction with this chemical equation. Now, how I predicted that the salt and the hydrogen gas will be produced. Now, look at this equation carefully. What do you think? Which type of chemical reaction will be occur here? Magnesium being more reactive than hydrogen, it will displaces the hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and then it forms the magnesium chloride as a salt and also produce hydrogen gas. Now, how do we come to know that magnesium will displace hydrogen? So, for this we have a list of elements. On the basis of reactivity series, we can find out which element is more reactive than other. As magnesium is above than hydrogen, it means magnesium is more reactive than hydrogen. So it can easily displace the hydrogen from its compound. Now I think you can recall now that which type of chemical reaction is this? Yes, this is displacement reaction. We can say that when acid reacts with metal, they shows displacement reaction and forms salt and hydrogen gas. Salts are actually ionic compounds. As we can see here, magnesium have 2 positive ions and chlorine have -1 ion. As there are 2 atoms of chlorine, so total charge will become -2. So as both the charges are equal, they will cancel out each other and forms the neutral salt, that is magnesium chloride. What will happen when zinc reacts with the acid? Again, the zinc on reaction with acid, it will produce hydrogen gas and salt. Zinc being the more reactive than hydrogen, it will also displaces the hydrogen from the acid. Here we are using the sulfuric acid and produces zinc sulfate as a salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is colorless and odorless. Then how we can verify that only the hydrogen gas is produced in this reaction, as there are many more gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, they are also colorless and odorless. So to verify the presence of hydrogen gas, we do pop sound test. It is a unique type of test which only possible in the presence of hydrogen gas. When we react metal with the acid, it produces hydrogen gas. So to verify it, we bring a burning matchstick near to the mouth of test tube. The hydrogen gas, it burns with producing a sound called pop. The pop sound only produces when the hydrogen gas burns. This happens because when hydrogen gas produced in this test tube during the reaction between the acid and metal, it do not have any other place to escape either than the mouth. So it moves towards the mouth of the test tube and it burns and also collide with the air which is present around the mouth, and this colliding will produces the sound pop. As we know, when hydrogen gas burns, it reacts with oxygen and forms water. As the two elements are combining to form one compound, so it is a type of combination reaction. And we know that during combination reaction, lots of heat is produced. So hydrogen gas burn and produces pop sound. The next part is the reaction between base and with the metal. In general, metal do not react with base. But there are some exceptions. There are some bases which reacts with metal. Like sodium hydroxide, when reacts with zinc, it forms sodium zincate and produces hydrogen gas too. Sodium zincate is the salt which is produced when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide, and it also releases hydrogen gas. So in this video we learn that when metal reacts with acid, it forms metal salt and hydrogen gas. Similarly, most of the bases when if react with the metal, they produce salt and hydrogen gas.